This is a tutorial video for the AI Writer. I've pre-ran a sample project already. If you want to see the settings, I've chosen Super Mario movie and everything else is default. Then when I ran that, it's finished and now I can start writing. Now to open the writing tool, I need to click on the AI Writer under where it says name. So this is the writing canvas. Now for all your AI writing, it's going to use this AI generate prompt here, which is by default going to use the article keyword listed here and then the section heading. And at the moment we haven't added a section. If you click down, you can actually see a list of other example prompts that you can use. So if I wanted to get a list of topic ideas, I can click that. And you'll see that in the prompt, it's been replaced by this example. Now I'm going to go back to the default prompt, which is here. And I will also quickly show you that you can add your own prompts and they will appear here under user prompts. And the way to do it is you click on new template. Everything gets cleared. You can copy on your macros, paste them in. And once you've created a prompt you like, you can click on save. And then if you go back user prompts, you'll see your prompts are now listed. At the bottom are your default prompts. You can't actually edit these because they ship with SCM Content Machine, but you can copy them and click on new, paste it in and create your own prompt. Now for all your user prompts, you just click on delete template. You can remove them as required. Now the way to add content is you go to add section, and here are a list of all the headings that the tool found when searching Google. So let's start with something simple, movie info. If you are using Google search, it can also pull down some questions and answers. So here are some example ones you might think of adding. As you add topics, you'll notice that it strike them out so that you know what you've used. If you ever need to clear the history, just click the button. Now going back out, you'll see all my topic sections have been added. Let me just clean those up by clicking this delete button here. So we've got 2 of those. I can use these buttons to change the order of my sections. Delete. Now it says generate some text. Click generate to add or add sentence. So add sentence is basically scraped content which you can add to your article by clicking on the links like so. Generate is the more exciting section. So by clicking generate, it's going to go to this prompt here. If you do not have a prompt selected, so let's say this is empty and you click generate, it will give you an error. Please select an AI prompt first. Prompt missing. I can go back and select the default prompt. Please notice that this box here you can freely type into. So I'll show you how that works a bit later. So let's just click generate. So I've given the tool a bit of time to do its working, and we can see that it's used all these keywords inside this article. I will go back and delete that section and add my own custom section. So add empty Princess Peach. Now it says run article for Super Mario movie section heading Peach and give a list of interesting facts. And as you can see, I've added my own little prompt at the very end. So now that the AI writer has finished, it's brought back some content about Princess Peach, as you can see. And because I asked it to give me a list of interesting facts, it's done exactly that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you are creating new prompts, I'll just go over these 4 macros. We've already seen the usage of the macro article keyword and section heading, which is this section. Then also you'll notice that there's 2 other macros I haven't covered, which is focus terms top 5. So what it'll do is it'll actually take the top 5 keywords here and place them into the prompt. We have section words last 15, and what that will do actually is when you use this macro, it's going to take the last 15 words from this paragraph, add it on to the prompt, and that's going to give some extra words that the AI writer can use to continue generating content on. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, or you can always send an email on our contact page at scmcontentmachine.com.